Hey, welcome to the Flotheme Services page, and I just wanted to give a quick overview of our installation packages to help you make the best choice for your business. So we have three packages, the Simple, Advanced, and the Advanced Pro, and each of them will be used for different things. So the Simple installation, that is going to be a great fit for those of you starting out with a new site and you want us to help you install WordPress and get the demo set up so you can start playing with that yourself. After that, it's very much DIY process. If you feel that you require more assistance, then the advanced installation package is going to be better, and I'll tell you why in a moment. So the simple installation is not really suitable for those of you with an existing WordPress site or with an existing Squarespace site. It really is only beneficial for those that are starting out with WordPress and you want assistance with that process getting set up initially. So that takes out all of the hard work at the start, getting WordPress installed in your server, installing the theme and adding the demo. Now the second package, which is much more comprehensive, is the advanced install package. And this package is really great for those of you that are either starting a fresh site and want one-on-one support to work with our support heroes to get you set up with your new site, or for those of you that have an existing site and need help making that transition. So that will include moving your blog and your pages if you're on WordPress or Squarespace, setting up the site structure, implementing the theme and the layouts based on your feedback. And with this, and where I feel you get the most value, is the 2 screen sharing calls that are around 45 minutes, where we cover details of how to use the theme, how to set everything up, how to add your content, and answer any questions that you may have about using WordPress and your theme. So this package is amazing if you would like to get set up quickly and have the support with us assisting you through every step of the way. Now the Advanced Pro is another level up from that again. You get all of the things I just mentioned, and additional to that, you also get a consultation and optimization of an SEO plugin. We also optimize 4 of your pages for speed, so we make sure that the most important pages in your site are running nice and fast, and for that we'll implement some plugins to make sure that your site is running as fast as possible. So again, this is more comprehensive if you're very concerned about SEO. You want to make sure that everything's set up correctly. You want to get some advice on how that you can structure your site properly, how you can add the metadata, the keywords to your site, and how you can craft those correctly. This is the package for you. So that's a quick overview, guys. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can chat to us and we'll always be available to answer your questions. Thanks.